Dear friends, if you think you have tried all the best prawns curries, wait till you discover this hidden gem from Mangalorean kitchens. Today, I am making Malabar spinach with prawns curry, a bold, flavorful dish that combines coastal spices with the earthy goodness of Malabar spinach. Get ready as I bring authentic Mangalorean flavor at your table. First, dry roast all the spices one by one. In a frying pan, dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds and black peppercorn on a low flame till they turn aromatic, constantly stirring them 2 to 3 minutes. Remove in a plate. Next, dry roast mustard seeds. When mustard seed starts to splutter, remove in a plate. Next, dry roast red chilies. In the same pan, add oil. Roast onion and garlic. Lightly roast till color begins to change and remove in a plate. In the same pan, add oil. Add freshly grated coconut and turmeric. Lightly roast on low flame till they turn aromatic. Remove in a plate. Now allow the roasted spices to cool down. Add tamarind and transfer the roasted spices in a mixer jar. Now add half cup of water and blend to a fine paste. Meanwhile, marinate prawns with salt and turmeric. Mix well and keep it aside. Separate the leaves and stems of Malabar spinach. Wash them properly. Cut the tender stems into desired length. Roughly chop the leaves. Transfer the vegetable in a pressure cooker. Press them down. Add roughly chopped onion, tomato, salt and 1 cup water. Cook for 2 whistles. Open the pressure cooker when pressure has released. Transfer the cooked Malabar spinach in another vessel. Also add the ground masala paste. Add water from the mixer jar to get the desired consistency. Don't make it too runny. Cover and cook for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, add the marinated prawns. Mix well. Add salt. Mix well. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes. Now switch off the flame and let's begin with tempering. For the tempering, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a small pan. Add crushed garlic and let it turn brown in color. Pour the tempering into the spinach gravy. Give it a quick stir. Serve hot with red boiled rice or white rice. A perfectly simple yet a very satisfying meal.